Now time for a check of the weather with meteorologist Alison Osborne. Alison, widespread heat across the country, and there is some storm activity today. What's the latest?
Yeah, quite a bit happening east and west today, Kenny. Now, for parts of southern Queensland, some spooky looking lenticular clouds looking a bit like UFOs accompanied severe warned storms. They impacted the Toowoomba region and warnings do remain in place this morning. Those storms were quite isolated, so generally hit or miss, but throughout the morning, as we can see here, they have been fast moving. The bright pink echoes also indicative of the presence of heavy rain or in some cases large hailstones. Now, those storms are continuing through these areas, including the Southern Downs and Toowoomba, but are stopping short of the scenic rim. That said, Brisbane, Gold Coast, you're not out of the woods for storm activity today. Moving further south, and it has been a wet 24 hours, Kenny, across the New South Wales coast between Sydney and the mid-north. Now, this is due to a coastal low. You can see the little clockwise spiral on the rain radar there. It has been slingshotting rain for the last day or so over those coastal areas. At the same time, definitely beautiful red sky over Melbourne and much of Victoria this morning, as well as South Australia, courtesy of a deck of high cloud. Now we can see that cloud cover on our satellite. Other cloud we can see thunderstorms through parts of the northern tropics and WA. So a bit going on, a mixed bag of Australian weather. Looking at the rain forecast today, further showers and storms. They're on the forecast for southeastern Queensland and the New South Wales coast. There's the risk of storms with little rainfall through parts of western Victoria. So we're keeping an eye on the threat of any fires, starting with dry lightning. And the usual wet season showers and storms continue over the northern tropics. Rest of the nation looking dry. Severe storms are looking possible today, once again, through parts of that southeast quarter of Queensland. So it could be a day bookended by storms for places like Toowoomba, but thunder remains possible to the north of the Sydney area, around Brisbane and into western Victoria. So for our capitals, Kenny, a high of 28 degrees in Perth, 33 in Adelaide. So heating up there. The same for you in Melbourne, cloud clearing to a high of 31, 24 in Hobart. Canberra, slim chance of an afternoon shower for you, but I can't rule it out. Showers stop-start throughout the day for Sydney. We're watching for those storms in Brisbane, 29 degrees.
Thanks, Alison.